Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services, and this is about this little video tape recorder. It is HVR M10U. Oh, I don't know where it's written, but that's what it is. So those of you that have it have probably seen my video on repairing this thing. And this is another problem. And the problem is every time you plug it in, it asks for date, which means the backup battery is dead. Let's take a look. On these camcorders, same thing happens. The backup battery dies and starts asking for the date every time you turn it on. However, there is no backup battery here. There's a backup rechargeable battery. And the bad thing is, it was never designed to be replaced. Works for a few years, then it stops charging, and then it becomes dead. Doesn't hold any charge. Replacing battery on this unit. This is the TRV. Oh, it's a HDR HC7. There's 5 and there's 9. They're all basically the same camcorder. And it's a nightmare. You can also, while you're taking it apart, you can put in a code, and it's really hard to get rid of that error code on a flash. So I guess this is 2025. Not many people have them, but those that do, it's easier to live with that date problem than to fix it. All right. Welcome to the M10U guts. No guts, no glory. So I've taken the whole thing apart to find the battery. My problem, I've worked with a camcorder, so I assumed the battery must be on one of the circuits. That's how it is on that camcorder. You actually have to buy the whole circuit. You can find a battery, but let's put it away. It's a nightmare on a camcorder. So I've looked at all the little circuits on the tape recorder, and there is no battery anywhere. I was getting frustrated. Couldn't believe that, how could it be? Battery should be easily foundable, replaceable. This is more or less a professional unit. Anyway, then I realized, well, this thing has a battery backup. In other words, you can run this off an external battery, like a camera battery. And when I looked at it, voila, there is a little access door. That's where batteries usually hide. All right, let's open that up. Hard to do it with one hand. Let's get that little screw out. Don't want to lose that. And then it doesn't want to come out. I guess you realized. Taking it apart wasn't totally worthless. Sony, in their genius design, decided to put a ribbon cable in the way of the battery door. You have to take the top off. You have to unplug this little cable, and then the battery will come out. And the way it comes out is you open it and then you slide it out. Okay, so there's that little thingy there. There is a circuit board in here, and in Sony style, everything is proprietary. Let's see if we can undo the circuit board from the plastic. They put the little battery on the circuit board. I haven't done anything with this yet, but I don't know if this is a rechargeable or if it's the battery. Now, I've tried cross-referencing the model number. Oh, can't really see very well. Well, anyway, it's not available, of course. There it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to detach the battery and look at the actual battery, if it's a battery or if it's rechargeable. So I just detached it with the soldering iron, and let's take a look. It's the first time I'm seeing what this is all about. It looks like it is a rechargeable. Alright, I gotta take this connector off to see what the brand's model number. I just thought I'd share this. So to disconnect the spot welders, you use a knife and you just slide it from the sides to raise the sides, and then the connector becomes a rocker, and you just rock it back and forth with a knife and it disconnects. You don't have to rip it off, you don't have to cut your fingers. It's a really simple procedure. Once you're done, because this metal is so thin, you just flatten it out with a screwdriver or something on a flat surface, and it back ready for retouching. As you can see, it took me about a minute to wiggle it back and forth, and the last connection is still on there. I thought I did on camera. There you go. And it just detaches. No damage anywhere. No damage to the battery. No damage to the connector. And what kind of battery is it? It is rechargeable. So it's a ML1220 Sanyo rechargeable 3-volt battery. Now, you cannot put non-rechargeable in there. I've tried it with the camcorder and it actually exploded on me. So do not put a non-rechargeable battery. It has to be the same type that was in there from beginning. Well, hopefully this helps somebody. If there is no way to find the replacement part, there's always a way to get to the replacement component, the component itself that went bad, and hopefully you wouldn't have to take the whole poor thing apart to search for that battery. Give me a like if you liked the video, enjoy, subscribe, and save money. Before I go, I thought I'd share. So they are available, rechargeable lithium batteries, 1220 ml, ML1220. They're not expensive, $5. Thanks for watching.